DAP Wall and Cavity Foam with Wide Spray Applicator is a portable, self-contained, one-component polyurethane foam dispensing kit that effectively air seals and insulates homes and buildings while enhancing R-value and providing Class A fire resistance. This broadcast spray solution is similar to a two-component system, but in a less complicated, easier-to-use one-component solution that can be applied in a wide temperature range, 40 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Before use, read all directions and cautions. For optimal foam performance, make sure the temperatures and relative humidity meet these recommendations. Before application, shake the canister for 30 seconds. Make sure the lever on applicator is in the off position and the nozzle is oriented horizontally. Attach the hose assembly finger tight, then use wrench provided in kit to tighten an additional quarter turn. Finally, fully open valve on tank, 3 full turns. Test the spray into a trash bin first to get a feel for the pressure and spray pattern. Hold the spray nozzle approximately 10 to 15 inches away from material being sprayed and slowly push the trigger forward no further than the first detent to dispense foam. If the dispense rate is slower or spray pattern is narrower than desired, then the trigger can be pushed towards the next detent for faster flow and wider pattern, but only if a higher rate is needed. Rapidly and continuously spray no more than a ½ inch layer of wet foam and wait 15+ minutes to allow for initial cure and expansion. Do not overfill. For air sealing and thermal insulation purposes, 1 layer is sufficient, such as sealing rim joists and then adding bed insulation. Easily spray vertically and horizontally. When finished, turn applicator to off position. Remove tip and washer and clean out any residual material from nozzle with DAP foam cleaner. Leave hose and applicator connected for reuse up to 30 days.